Hey everyone, I'm Zach from Design Build Live. You're going to see me popping up every now and again, talking about the updates on the jobs, sometimes some tool talk. I'll just be the handsome one with suspenders you see in the time lapses. So here is the kitchen. The cabinets are in. They just got delivered yesterday. In here, you see the bedrooms. Drywall is finished. Floors are in. Both of these spare bedrooms. And then this is the entrance area with some more cabinetry that's gonna go in there. But then the money reveal is the ceilings. And they are tall and they are nice. And of course, if I can get it all in view, the window wall. And if we go upstairs on these temporary steps, there's not a whole lot of light up here, but you'll get the point. The floors are in, and the drywall's in. Here is the master bathroom. Needs a lot of work. Kind of is storage right now. And this, we're going to be working on getting the boards ready to put up here on the ceiling and maybe get some boards on the ceiling today. But that's a general update.